Jessica Frost-Ballas here with a video for honeybee stamps. Today I'm sharing a fun way to combine different sets to create a unique look, so let's get started. First, I stamped the flower bunch from Loads of Love onto white cardstock with VersaFine and heat emboss it with clear embossing powder. I'll be pairing it with the Market Cart Builder to create a cart full of gorgeous spring flowers. I colored the flowers with Copic markers in bright shades of pink, peachy red, and sunny yellow. I'm keeping this card fairly clean and simple with lots of white, a little black contrast for interest, and bold and vibrant flowers. Once I'm finished coloring, I die cut the image with the coordinating die. Next, I die cut all the pieces of the market cart from white cardstock. I decided to not color the cart and just kept it mostly white. I did color the tire black and then added black stripes to the awning. In retrospect, I think I might have preferred to keep it all white or used cardstock strips for the awning instead of a Copic marker. The marker's a little imprecise in its lines, but I think overall it's okay. I do love the look of a black and white striped awning. Next, I glued the tire to the wheel of the cart. Off camera, I stamped a sentiment from My Favorite Flower onto black cardstock and heat embossed it with white embossing powder before die cutting it with the outline die. Then I adhered all the pieces of the card together and you can see where my flowers will fit in. To create a background for my cart, I blended abandoned coral, worn lipstick, and tattered rose distress oxide ink onto a panel of heavy stock white cardstock. I ended up going back and adding a little picked raspberry to the top of the panel for even more contrast. Then I trimmed off the edges for a smooth finish. I adhered the cart to the blended panel and then added the flowers and sentiment with foam mounting tape for a little extra dimension. Finally, I added Nouveau crystal glaze to the tire wheel and flower centers for a little more shine. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, I'd love for you to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Be sure to subscribe to the Honeybee Stamps channel for even more crafty inspiration. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, have an amazing day and happy crafting. Bye!